Hi there, and thank you for joining us with this special story and craft time with Miss Jo. And, oh, I'm sorry, let me introduce you to my friend Orville. Orville's a very special kind of scarecrow. What's that, Orville? Oh, yes, I should tell him that, shouldn't I? Orville's not just a scarecrow, he's my book buddy. I read to Orville, and you can see this is his favorite book, and he even kind of looks like the little scarecrow boy. What? Oh, you're right. Orville said that we need to show you how to make your very own book buddy so you can have a friend to read to too. All right, so I'm going to give Orville a rest over here, and I'm going to show you how you can make your very own book buddy. First thing I did is I just took, these are paint sticks that I got from the hardware store. I took an ordinary paper bag, and I've got some packing tape here, and I stuffed the head with some old newspaper that we had. And now I'm going to start to show you how to build a body. First thing I want to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to make a little cross stick like this. And that's going to help hold up his shirt or his overalls or whatever you dress your buddy in. So I'm going to take a little bit of this tape and I'm going to put it on there like this. And it's okay if it looks kind of messy because nobody's going to see that. That's going to be all hidden under our outfit. So I'm just going to like that so that you can see that it's going to hold. Yeah, so maybe you want to give it one more piece. And just to make sure. Okay, there we go. And you can see I wrapped some of this tape around. When I put his head on, you just poke the stick up by the newspaper and kind of wrinkle it like that, and then put the tape around it and round it so that it stays the stick. So there's the basic body, but now you need to give him a face and a name. This is going to be Orville's friend Corny, and you'll meet Corny when we're all done. So I've made some parts. I took just freehand, I cut out a hat, and I used some stuff. This is called raffia, and it's kind of like a straw that you can tie. It comes out in long strings, and I used that so it looks like hay, or if you happen to have real hay or go out and get some, you can use that too. So I took and I just cut some links and I taped them on the back there, and I rolled the tape so that I can be able to stick his hat on. But first things first, we need to give his scarecrow a face. And so I've got a couple of wiggle eyes here, and on Orville, because the scarecrow boy had buttons, he wanted buttons. So we made his eyes out of some buttons, but we're going to give this little scarecrow some big wiggle eyes. See that? And next, I've cut out a cute little pointy nose, and we'll go ahead and put that on there. And then we're gonna give you a big smile, just like that, and kind of put it on there. All right, smiley face is gonna stick. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put his hat and hair on him. And are you ready to meet him? Oop. He really likes that story. Ta-da! This is Orville's friend, Corny. Now, I don't know, This what I'm going to dress him in yet, but I probably a shirt just like Orville's there. But you could take and you could put a dress or overalls. Your imagination's the limit on how you want to dress your book buddy. And it'd be really fun if you could make him look like one of your favorite book characters. And what we want you to do is to take a picture of you and your book buddy reading together, then send it to our Facebook page, and we'll post it, and we'll have all the details about the book buddy craft on the page also. And we're going to be giving you a little starter kit with some sticks and some straws and different things to help you get started making your book buddy. And I'm going to let young Corny rest here, and I'm going to pick up my friend Orville, because Orville has, you've been waiting for this all day, haven't you? What? That's a great idea. Orville wants me to read the story. Hi, and thank you for joining Orville and I for this special craft time. We're going to go off and read our favorite book. So we'll see you next time. Take care.